What's up? So y'all might not be able to change the past, but you can definitely do what you can today to make a better future. Card is and what both of these cards are from crypto.com. What crypto.com is an online exchange. That's the blue crypto.com. I did a video on that. It's a free card to get, and you can also spend your cryptocurrency on here. How it works is you have to convert your cryptocurrency into the fiat, which is your dollars, and put the dollars onto the card. All right, so this jaw fly. I had to take like a couple minutes to look at this jaw and fully appreciate it. So when you use this card, you get 2% cash back, but you get 2% cash back in crypto. However, the cryptocurrency is their native currency. So you're not getting 2% cash back in Bitcoin right away. You're getting 2% cash back in the CRO token, and you can use that to exchange it for Bitcoin. Along with the 2% cash back, you free Spotify. So if y'all got a Spotify account, link that joint down below, listen to your music. The ATM withdrawal is $400, and then after that, they charge you a percentage of whatever you take out. So to get this card, you have to state $400 now. Whereas back then, like 2 weeks ago, they made you specifically buy $5,000 worth of CRO. And whatever the price of CRO was worth that time was what you had to pay, which was no more than like $1,200. Crypto will be locked up. While you stake that, you'll get additional interest on that. Let me know if y'all get this card. Let everybody else know how your experience went. Hope y'all have a good day. Let me know if y'all got any questions. But all right, y'all, thank y'all for watching, man. And good luck, man. Good luck.